Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. If you're stuck with the dreaded account has been locked for violating community guidelines message on Snapchat, don't worry, I've got you covered. So in today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix your locked Snapchat accounts. Let's get started. So first thing first, what does it mean when Snapchat says your account is locked? This usually happens if they think you violated their community guidelines like posting inappropriate content or spamming, but it's not always permanent. So let's just fix it. So Snapchat usually sends an email where your account is locked, so you can just check your inbox in the mail. Here you can just go to Gmail or any emails that you use and look for a message from Snapchat. They will let you know the reason for the lock and may offer steps to restore your account. If they don't send an email, don't worry, there's still hope. So now let's just get that account unlocked. So you can just open Snapchat, and here if you cannot log in, you can just go to the help center by going to your browser. You can just find Snapchat help in here or Snapchat support, and then you can just find the option says my account is locked, or I cannot access my account in here, and there will be this option my account is locked. So in here you can just follow the instruction and you can request an unlock right from this page. So this will send a request to Snapchat to review your account. So you can just go to in here, and if that doesn't work, you can just go to the Snapchat support page like this and submit a form. Make sure to provide details on why you think the lock was a mistake. Be clear, polite, and explain your side. Snapchat takes this seriously, so don't skip this step. And after you submit your request, it may take a few hours or a couple of days for Snapchat to review your case. Keep an eye on your email for their response. If they approve your request, you'll be able to log back into your account. So to prevent this from happening in the future, be sure to follow Snapchat community guidelines closely. Don't post anything that could be considered inappropriate, spammy, or offensive. If you ever get a warning, take it seriously. And that's it. That's how you can fix your Snapchat account if it's been locked for violating community guidelines. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit on the thanks button so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.